Hi, my name is Scott Tomlinson with Clinical Trials Ontario, and today we're going to look at how to create a new project in CTO Stream. We're also going to cover how to share access to the newly created project with the other members of your study team. Creating a new project is usually done by a member of the provincial study team or the lead site for the study in Ontario. However, it can also be done by the study sponsor when required. If you're joining a study that already exists in CTO Stream, you do not want to create a new project. Instead, you'll be given access to the existing project by a member of the provincial study team. When ready to create the new project, one of the members of the provincial study team will log into their CTO Stream account and use the Create Project button that's located under the Actions menu while on the Work Area page. The Create Project pop-up window will appear where you'll need to enter the short study title or study nickname as the project title. This name will be displayed in the project tree, so you want to make sure not to use the complete study title or protocol title. Otherwise, as you begin to add more application forms to the project tree, it will be very difficult to tell the forms apart. I'm going to enter mine as example study. And then next thing you'll need to do is choose the type of application forms that you'll be using, which will depend on the type of research that you're doing. We have both clinical trial and observational forms available. Everything I'll be showing you in this demonstration will be the same regardless of which types of application forms you're using. If you're not sure which forms to use, you can always go to the CTO website at ctontario.ca and take a look at the tools and resource section where we have the application form templates for both types of forms. And so you can see what the questions are for each and which ones would be most suitable. So I'll choose the clinical trial forms for this example, and the next thing you'll need to do is agree to provide CTO support staff with access to the new project. This is for support purposes in case we need to access the study and provides any support. You'll just need to click the checkbox to continue and then press the green Create button at the bottom of the pop-up window. Once the new project has been created, you'll automatically be taken into it, where you can note the unique study title and system-generated study ID number at the top of the page. Below this is the project tree, which lists all of the application forms that exist for the project. Notice how the provincial initial application has already been created and is ready for you to begin working on immediately after the new project is created. The provincial initial application, or PIA, is always located just below the study title in the project tree, which is not actually an application form. To provide the other members of the provincial study team with access to this study, you'll need to give them a role. This is done by using the Roles button under the Actions menu while you have the provincial initial application selected in the project tree. The Share Roles pop-up window will appear with a field where you can enter the email address associated with the new user's CTO Stream account. The user being given the role must have an active CTO Stream account, otherwise a message will appear which says the user does not exist. Next, you'll need to select the role that you want to give the new user from the drop-down menu. We have provincial applicant, provincial co-applicant, provincial study staff, and sponsor/CRO, which are all full access roles that allow the users to view, edit, share, create subforms, and receive email notifications about the study submissions. The provincial applicant, co-applicant, and provincial study staff also includes the ability to sign and submit forms. We also have the read-only access roles available for provincial study staff or for sponsor or CROs in case they need access to the study but will not be making any changes, and they will also not receive any email notifications. Once their desired role has been selected in the drop-down menu, press the green Share Role button at the bottom of the page. Once the role has been shared successfully, a green message will appear at the top of the page to say the form was shared successfully. Thanks for watching the video. If you have any questions about CTO Stream or need any technical assistance, please visit our online help desk at support.ctontario.ca. For more CTO Stream resources, visit the Clinical Trials Ontario website at ctontario.ca.